Hello our friend in YouTube social network, welcome back my channel Car Technology. So in this video I show everyone how to fix and to solve the reset oil maintenance require your contact your dealer Lexus LX and 570. Okay, model year 2016. Okay, now let's start to do it with me. Okay, now click reset or reset and click the button in the back. Now click back and then go to setting, enter and just now the data has been reset. Now reset complete, back and can know the mistake. Okay, now the maintenance required is setting complete, reset complete. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.